Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today we are going to be talking about things I would buy from fast fashion websites, which seems like a counterproductive video because I've been trying to not shop fast fashion, but you know, I'm not perfect. I have shopped on these sites before, recently too, some of them. I just like to be realistic. I'm not here to shame anybody if they're buying fast fashion or buying a lot of secondhand or not buying new trends at all. I really don't care, but I got requested to do this video quite a bit actually, and I love online shopping and not buying things. I always am on these websites just looking at the pieces, putting them in my cart and never checking out. So why not just record me doing it today? Okay, let's start with Zara. So what I normally do on Zara is I like to go to new, and then if you didn't know, there's this little draggy icon and you can make it easier to shop online on Zara. I never shop in person unless it's a thrift store. I don't like the idea of missing something, and I know online I'm not gonna miss anything. And you know, I normally look at the new stuff. I don't even really put stuff in my... That's so cute. Wow, I love that. But I think one of the worst things you can buy fast fashion is crochet. But sometimes a fast fashion brand would call something crocheted and it's actually knit. But the reason is real crochet can't be done by machine. It can only be done by hand. So you know that they're just underpaying somebody. This top is so cute too. Wait, not the panties. I want the top. And it's only 30 bucks. This looks like something Orson Iris would sell. Damn, I love this. I would definitely buy this. Only $29. Let's just add it to my cart. Size small. Sure. I won't be checking out. I never do. I never check out. I do that with DoorDash too. I'll just put a bunch of food in my cart and then I'll never check out. What I do buy from Zara though, not often, but what I recently just bought are a pair of shoes. I really like their shoes. They've gotten a lot more expensive because why are these little kitten heels $130? Normally I feel like 60. Yeah, that makes sense. I've had a few pair of shoes from Zara, boots actually, and they last literally forever. To me, they're pretty good quality. I really like these lace-up espadrilles. I just don't think I'd ever wear them. Those to me are something that I don't think those ever go out of style in my opinion. They just remind me of my mom. She's always wearing those and I love them. She's gonna take that as such a big compliment. Find my mom in the comments responding to that. Okay, but yeah, I love these little slingback heels. I really am liking. I'm not a big fan of sandals, flat sandals. I've honestly never really found a pair that I really like. These are pretty cute if you don't like a heel, but you like that pointed toe. And then I'm sure you guys already know what I bought recently are boots. I like these boots, but I hate the heel that's a triangle. To me, that's something I really hate. I want it to be a straight stiletto heel or a big chunky heel, something I look for. I don't like the toe of these. Oh, but they're 50% off. For 50% off, I might like the toe of those. Dang, these look exactly like my Jeffrey Campbell ones I have for $169, not bad. The cowboy boots are literally killing it. These look like the Jeffrey Campbell ones as well. These ones are $319. They're so effing cute, but it's because they're real leather, so they're that expensive. I really like both of these colored boots. I think they'd be really fun. Where are mine? These are the ones that I recently got off Zara. I got these little zebra print fur kind of heels and I really like them. That's what I'd buy from Zara right now. I tend to look at what's new and then I look at the shoes and then I get off. Okay, let's look at Urban because I also really like urban shopping. It's like window shopping. It's just fun to see what's up. I always go to women's and I go to new, but it goes by featured, but I haven't been on the site for a while. Oh my god, this looks exactly like a dress that I thrifted. I think Urban is a really good place if you go to the thrift stores, you look on Poshmark, you look on Depop, and you want those certain Y2K, early 2000s, that's the same thing, or 90s inspired pieces, but you're just not finding them. I feel like just splurging on a piece at Urban, you're gonna wear it like forever. And especially because to me, Urban's like kind of expensive, especially compared to secondhand shopping. And that's like, I wish the biggest reason I didn't shop fast fashion was because how awful it is for the environment, but really what keeps me from shopping fast fashion are the prices, because I'm like, what? I can find this at the thrift store for so cheap. Urban has definitely vintage inspired pieces that, in my opinion, last you forever. I have so many pieces from Urban from high school and earlier I'm still wearing and loving. Nothing's really standing out to me. That's cute. A scarf top, not something I'd get, but it's cute. But why is it $80? See, is that the thing? Am I just like ruined from thrifting? That to me everything should be like $6. Not like actually, but like I'm not gonna pay more than $6. This top is so cute. Definitely something, if you're lucky, you could find at the thrift store. I'm going back to Chicago soon just to visit my brother. Not moving back, never. I cannot wait to go to the thrift stores there because they're so good. They are so good. If you want to see, I did a whole video on like Chicago thrift stores. I can link it in the description. It did really bad, so if you guys want to watch it. Kind of happy it did bad, so I don't have to share any of my places. Gaslight, gatekeep, girl boss. Yeah, but I really like this top. I like it in the cheetah and I like it in this floral one. That's lioness. Oh my god, I feel like lioness normally looks like it looks very not that IMG is cheap, but sometimes IMG looks cheap, if you guys know what I mean, like kind of too costumey. I thought that's what lioness was like, but that is actually so cute. That looks like a figure skating top. That's a cute jacket. I like that. I'm really into like a collared workwear jacket right now. Okay, I don't really see anything in the new, so my favorite things to shop on Urban are the dresses. The dresses are so good. I mean, literally, like, any of these top three I would wear. So pretty. This one's so pretty. I just like wouldn't have anywhere to wear it ever. Again, this isn't me shopping. This is me showing you guys what I would buy, even though I'm not gonna buy it. The For Love and Lemons dresses are so good. Look at this one. Kind of got like a bustier, corset-y, like, what is that? Boning, that's what it is. Top, and the back is just so low cut. I'm loving baby doll right now. Anything baby doll cut, like tops, dresses. This one's also so cute. It goes under your bra. I hate how it flips right when I go over it. So cute. I have a lot of dresses from Urban too, so yeah, I have this dress. Love it. Perfect for like a cover up or wearing out and about. This is something that I feel like everybody would have lost their minds over last year. I'm not too big into like the collared shirt like that. I think it looks better on girls with smaller boobs. And on me, I look like a single mom going to tennis practice. This one's cute. I love this kind of chartreuse color. Dang. Oh, this color looks so good on that model too. I got a little bit distracted. I love this. I love big bows on the sleeves. Love this one. Of course, it's $265. I've looked at it a few times. I think it's been in my cart before. Nothing is like too standing out to me because I'm trying to like, you know, only add things to my cart that I actually think I'd buy. And there are a few things I really liked, but it's just like, I wouldn't spend that much money on them. This one's really cute. I don't know, I don't like too many white dresses. What is this? I like this. Lioness again. I'm very sorry that I said poor things about Lioness. I guess I like them, but I'm not seeing too much. Let's go to the jumpsuits because I'm a sucker for a romper jumpsuit. Like this! This is so cute. I love that. I love something that's like way too short. That's so cute. I don't really care for it in the other colors. But in that print, that's so adorable, but not for $69. I don't typically like the super tight ones. I like them, but I won't wear them because I'm always bloated. And I'm just not comfortable. This one's so cute. Yeah, I'm tending to like the rompers a bit more. That's so precious. I'm obsessed with that. I don't know, but the two colors aren't my favorite. I'm so picky, you guys. I'm sorry. If you wanted me to just like add things happy, I have a little romper like this from Princess Polly and I love it. Was that it? Those are all the rompers. And then the last thing I look at are the tops, because that's something I feel like I never have enough of. I always get pants or dresses or just things that like feel more like a complete outfit, just because I don't really like jeans and a top. I find it very boring for me to put on. But like None of these tops are that whatever. I feel like I've seen this at the thrift store 100 times and I don't like 3/4 length sleeves. This little this little tube top I have been looking at though. I don't know what about it. I just really like it, like those lines in it. There's that cute top again. This is cute. Maybe not. She looks just good there. She's just selling it to me. She's doing her job. This is that same print but in a different cut. Those are really cute. I always like those tops in theory and I just never wear a collared top. I don't know. I'm bored. I don't want to keep looking. I like their graphic tees a lot, but then sometimes they're like, this one's like $88. Why is it $88? Boring. Nothing from Urban that I like. What is in my cart? I want that rug. I like Urban home stuff, and yeah, this rug was a pretty good deal when I was looking at other rugs. Let's go to everyone's favorite, Shein. Immediately hit with the pop-up. Oh, another pop-up, my least favorite thing in the world. Happy Easter style starting from $2. If you guys really thought I was gonna shop on here, you're crazy. Absolutely not. That's where I draw the line. I know that the other places aren't great, but Shein is scary. How low the prices are, how much they are producing every single day, the new outfits or new pieces they produce every day. I'm not here to shard on anybody for your choices, but like you don't know what you're getting. It's not the same. You're looking at one picture online, but like what you're gonna end up getting shipped to you is very different. I'm not doing that. Let's go to Free People. I love Free People. I got to work with them in December and that was like the coolest thing ever. So again, I go to New because I'm just a nosy girl. This is actually how I find out a lot of the trends when I do like trend predictions. I just go on like these kind of sites and just see what is happening over and over again. It's one way. I have a lot of resources, very exclusive resources that only I can get going on Free People's website. I like these tops, kind of like a tunic top, and I've looked at this one before, but I don't like any of the prints. I like this skirt. You can also wear it as a dress, I'm pretty sure. I see they don't add stuff as often. I haven't been on this site in a while. Let's change it to newest. Lots of beauty stuff. Free People's also pretty expensive, so when I do get stuff from here, I know it's gonna last me forever. I don't know. It's not. This is cute. I like a baby doll top. That's so cute to me. I'm a sucker for the baby doll right now. You guys, everything sucks. Okay, let's do one more. I'm gonna do Princess Polly because I still like Princess Polly. 70% off sale. Let's go to New. Yeah, for Free People and Princess Polly, I tend to just go to like what's new. I don't really I hate pop-up. I don't really have like any specific things that I like from them. It's just normally random if I like something. Love this baby doll top. This dress would look so cute on my friend Izzy. Oh my god, this one's so cute. See, in Princess Polly, like, it's expensive, but this dress on Urban, I feel like would be like $100, and here it's 60. Why do these photos suck though? I feel like I can't see SHIT. Are these photos really bad? Okay, I can see those two are cute. I love this dress. That is so cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, and that one's on sale. Let's add this one because I actually like it. I don't know what size I am. Maybe a 4. I really like these pants. Motel Rocks. Is this Motel Rocks? Is Motel different from Motel Rocks? Well, Motel Rocks has good like pants. Disco Diva, that's cute. The one thing about Princess Polly, I'm gonna eat my words right at this top. Princess Polly, the one thing I don't tend to like are the sweaters and the tops because they're always cropped. This one's not cropped though, and I like this one a lot. Oh, but it's $52. But the way I just added it, you know I like it. I'll link all the stuff that I did add to my cart in the description box. Oh my god, this skirt is so cute. Okay, why is Princess? Oh my god, and this top looks better on her. Sometimes the influencers just do so much better than the models and real photographers. Their accessories are really cute too. Aw, this skirt's cute. Love the buckles. This is cute. I wouldn't wear it, but I like that set a lot. I've tried this romper before. It looks cute in theory. It's not. It looks awful. I like that top. Ooh, that Green looks good on her. Princess Polly also tends to have really good dupes on designer purses. That skirt's cute. If you don't want to spend $2,000 on a purse, you can always go to Princess Polly and find it for like 50 bucks, which I'm always like. This purse that she's holding, I really like that one. Not gonna get it, but I like it. That's really cute. I just wish it wasn't cropped. See this? I don't know if that's crochet or knit. Cool. I think I'm done. I know a lot of people are gonna say like, what about Aritzia and H&M and maybe other places you guys shop? I don't look at those websites. Aritzia is just way too expensive for me to even like jokingly look at. I would never add anything to my cart in Aritzia. And then H&M, it always looks really good online. And then sometimes I just like find myself at an H&M store, you know, with a friend or whatever. And it always looks really bad and really cheap. So that's my opinion on those. Sorry. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was definitely very different. If you guys have any video ideas or requests you want me to make, leave them in the comments below. I hope this video didn't offend anybody. It's just fun to like online shop and not buy and do whatever you want with your money. I'm not judging anybody, and hopefully you guys don't judge me. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye. Oh wait.